Hello, this is Attorney Wilberforce Agyekum with Ivy Law Office. Uh, I wanted to talk briefly about asylum, seeking asylum in the United States. First of all, this is brief. You have to be present in the United States to seek asylum. And by law, you have to petition for asylum within 1 year of your arrival to the United States. Now, if you file past 1 year, it's still possible, but you have a more of an uphill battle to climb. And that hill is not easy to climb. So you definitely want to file within 1 year of your arrival. Also, keep in mind that asylum is specific to you and your persecution. So, you were persecuted in your home country for either based on race, nationality, membership in a particular social group, political opinion, and so on. So it's a straight limited to five categories, and you must fit your asylum claim must fit in one of those categories, or else you are not making what is called a prima facie case for asylum in the United States. The fact that there are a lot of problems or issues in your country, that alone is not a basis and a qualification for approval of your asylum petition. You have to discuss and explain, and in any way you can show supporting evidence as to what happened to you, particularly, and how you were persecuted based on those statutory categories for the basis of asylum. If you could do that, then at least you get a step into the ability to file for asylum. Now, filing for asylum means that you will be able to at least get a work permit while your case is adjudicated. If you are able to file for asylum within 1 year, typically this goes before the USCIS. That is affirmative asylum application. So you will fill out the I-589 and application for asylum and withholding of removal with the USCIS. If, however, you enter the U.S. and you are either illegally through the border and you are placed in the USCIS, ICE, or in removal proceedings by the DHS, Department of Homeland Security, then you would be in a defensive asylum process, which means your case will be heard and your application will be decided and reviewed by the asylum court for whether or not you qualify. Qualifying means you have to prove the credible fear aspect of your case. Again, credible fear means exactly what it sounds like. That your fear is based on persecution before you left, and that there's a credible fear of what might happen to you if you were to be returned to your country. That forms the basis of what asylum is about. Credible fear, which is specific to you, not just that the country is a bad country, not just that there's crime in your country, not that there's war in your country, but that whatever the situation is in your country, you have a reason to fear persecution if you were to be returned back based on those particular categories that you're allowed to petition for asylum for. So you really have to understand why you are petitioning for asylum, and you have to be able to make the case why you should be allowed to remain in the United States as an asylee. Typically, once your asylum petition or application is filed with the USCIS in an affirmative asylum application, you will receive a work permit while your case proceeds and is adjudicated. Similarly, if you are in the defensive asylum process through the court, which is basically removal proceedings, deportation proceedings, you will also be able to receive a work authorization through your application with the court while your case proceeds. So it's important that you file your application as soon as possible with the USCIS or with the court in order to be able to work while your case is being adjudicated. Asylum can take years, sometimes up to 10 years, before your case is finalized and whether or not you are eligible and you are approved for a green card, or you must be returned to your country. It is not a simple process, it's an arduous process, and so most people realize that it's not a process that they can engage in without counsel. So, you want to take it very seriously, every aspect of your asylum application. And if it's in court, you want to be prepared to adjudicate and to present evidence and to testify on your own behalf. If all goes well, you will receive your green card. Okay? If you need assistance, give us a call. Give us a call at 301 276 0887. 301 276 0887. And we will be more than happy to assist you at Ivy Law Office. Again, my name is Wilberforce Agyekum. I represent clients in asylum petitions and defensive petitions in immigration court, and I'll be happy to assist you. Okay? So, good luck, but if you need help, reach out, and I will be happy to assist you.